Hey, thanks for clicking on my affiliate marketing for beginners video. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to find products to promote. And I'm going to go ahead and go through a couple different parameters you need to know about so that you'll be able to actually pick something and be able to move on from there. Make sure to stay tuned because I'm going to show you 2 additional products towards the end of the video that you might be interested in promoting. They have really good payouts. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's talk about some of the parameters. Now, one of the first things you want to consider when you're trying to choose a product is you want to make sure that you're going to make enough money off of each sale. So one thing I say is try to get a product that's going to make you at least $100 per commission or over the lifetime value of the product. So either you make a sale and you make $100, or let's say it's a membership or something like that, $20 for 5 months, then that makes you $100, and that would make it a worthwhile product to go after. Affiliate marketing can be tough. It takes time to do. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. So you may as well go ahead and make the most money per sale that you have. Instead of just coming off with little $10 products or $30 products, go ahead and make your time worthwhile, or worth it, I guess I should say, and sell products that are actually going to make you some money. Next up, I would say make sure that the product that you're looking at promoting is something that you can either stand behind or something that you're willing to learn more about, or something that you use. If it's something that you have no concept of whatsoever, it's going to be hard to tell people about it and promote it. So if it's something that you don't really know a lot about, take a little time and do some research. Learn more about it. Try to use the product. If it's a digital product, try to play around with a little bit. And that will give you some understanding and knowledge as to how it works, and maybe even if you want to promote it or not. Now, I'm saying all these things assuming that at this point you have decided on a certain type of a niche that you want your channel to be about. And I'm saying your channel because we're on YouTube, and I'm guessing that you're going to want to promote some of your content on YouTube. So you want to make sure that you don't have one dog toy or one dog product and then a business product and then a quilting product, all these random things. There's no unison. You want a little bit of unity in the different products you're going for, or the products that you're promoting. So just make sure that you find things that have kind of a similar niche. But once you've done that, you want to kind of go through and make a decision as to what you're going to do. You don't want to let this paralyze you. One thing that I messed up on was I took too long to pick some things. Realize some of the things that you're going to pick may not be a good fit. You may mess up a few things here and there, but that's okay. It's part of education and part of learning. But just get started with something that seems like a good fit for what you're doing. One additional tip I want to offer to you if you're doing YouTube videos is make more than one video about whatever your product or service is going to be. Oftentimes people will make one video about an affiliate program or service, and then they just hope that it's going to rank. But the more videos you make about that specific product, the more YouTube is going to realize that you're becoming an authority on that, and they're going to give you more credence, I guess you could say. All right, so 2 of the options that people oftentimes start off with is a program here called Clickbank, and then another one called JV Zoo. Now, my only concern with these 2 programs is some of the products that they have on here don't really pay out that well. So I wouldn't suggest that you start with either of these 2 programs. I would suggest that you start by maybe looking at a product or online service that you actually use right now. The reason I say this is because you're already familiar with this product or service, and you can probably talk about it. And it's something that if you're already using, you can already vouch for. But as I mentioned before, I want to give you 2 product suggestions that may be a good fit for you. Both of them give payouts that start somewhere around $150 or so, and both of them are quality products that have a proven track record. So first up is Affiliate Tube Success Academy with Paul Murphy. Now, Paul is a really cool guy. He's over in England, and he has come up with a creative way to get videos on page 1 of Google and YouTube, and also Google Video, and basically create billboards for you that live there and bring leads and traffic to your affiliate links. So this is a program that I've used. I really like it a lot, and it's made me good money. So what I'll do is I'll put a link below, somewhere down here. I'll put a link, and you can click on that and learn a little more about that. Now, I would recommend getting a copy if you need to know how to rank videos on page 1 of Google if you're not already doing that. It's a really, really good program. And again, Paul is just a really, really good guy, very down to earth, and he walks people through the process pretty easily. Next up is a program called Groovefunnels. You'll also hear people say GrooveSell. And this is a program from Mike Filsame. He's a powerhouse in the online marketing world. This is basically a suite of landing page software. They've got affiliate commission software, video software, email software. There's just a ton of things they're doing. And I believe Mike used to, I think he created or helped create Kartra and I think Webinar Jam. So I think his non-compete ended, and now he is out there creating his own amalgamation, I guess you could say, of all the greatest stuff that he's put together, or great ideas that he's seen, I guess you could say, and he's putting them into one big suite. The good thing is this is free. As you can see, it's free to get, I think it's 3 different chunks of Groovefunnel, or 3 different pages on that, and then you can also get free affiliate software. What makes that powerful is if you want to run an affiliate program for yourself, you can do that through this software. So think of Groovefunnels as kind of like a Clickbank or Lead Pages type of a program, and this is going to replace that. So I've started playing around with this, and I'm probably switching over to this soon because everything that they're adding to this suite, it just makes a ton of sense. Now, one really cool thing about GrooveSell and Groovefunnels is if you help somebody else to sign up and then they purchase the product and they start telling other people, you actually get a little percentage of what their people make. It's kind of like a multi-level marketing thing without the creepiness, and you just kind of have to set it up once and then you forget it, and you can actually make some really good money from that. And again, I'll put a link right here. You can click on that and try it out for free, and that way you'll be able to tell people more about it, and also if it's a product that you could use, then you can go ahead and purchase that too. I hope that was helpful for you. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. If you have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comments section. I'll try to answer those as quickly as possible. And my biggest encouragement to you is just pick a product that you feel like would be good for you and get started. You're going to make some mistakes. You're going to mess some things up, but just sitting there trying to decide forever, you're not going to learn anything from that. One other thing is I'll go ahead and put the links for the 2 products that I mentioned. I'll put those in the comment section, and I'll put them in the description so you can click on those in case you don't want to type them out. That's it. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.